साऊथ वेस्टर्न रेल्वेचो परत एक फावट विशय वयर आयला. कुठ्ठाळेची आमदार आलिना साल्ढानान साऊथ वेस्टर्न रेल्वेक डबल ट्रॅक घालपा खातीर विरोध केला. आमकां रेल्वेच्या डबल ट्रॅकाची गरज ना. तशेंच डबल ट्रॅक केल्यार कुठ्ठाळेची सोबीतकाय नश्ट जातली, लोकांची घरां मोडची पडटली, प्रदूशण जातलें अशें आमदार साल्ढाणा म्हणटा.
South Western Railway tracks will definitely lead to total destruction of our houses, which are already affected due to this initial track, because of the vibrations. With every train that goes by, our windows rattle, and there were cracks so wide that you could see into the next room through the crack. Now this will happen, even the situation will be even worse, because the railway tracks are now, as per the plan, proposed to be even closer to our houses. This cannot happen. Besides that, what about the aspect of sound pollution that will interfere with our health? What about the aspect of coal dust pollution and other dust pollution, which will again affect our health? See, there is no way we can allow this dumping. The same people who are being requested to give away their land for the second line have given their land initially for the meter gauge more than 100 years ago. Okay? From meter gauge, it was converted to broad gauge. Now, 100 years or more have gone by, but nobody ever thought of the people and the trouble that the people are facing. Not a single facility by way of a overbridge has been put in place to help the people to cross the lines. And people, including senior citizens, are facing so much trouble. A distance which they would have crossed otherwise in 5 minutes, they have to walk around 25 and 30 minutes, which is not fair to us. And now, the South Western Railway has come again to ask for more land. There is no way we can do this, because this will destroy our houses. This will destroy our heritage houses. This will destroy the houses of the poor. This will destroy the newly built houses for which the head of the family has gone away from the family to earn and give his family a small home. Please, do not do this to us. Do not destroy our homes. No, it's not about compensation. I'm not even giving a thought to compensation, because we are not thinking of we are not giving our land. So the question of compensation does not arise. But just since you asked me the question, the compensation that is supposed to be given is 500 rupees per square meter. Okay? Now you tell me, is that the market value? The market value probably is 10 times, 20 times or 50 times more. Again, the same families that gave the land the first time around are going to be the losers. So why should we? But I'm not concerned about compensation. I'm concerned about our homes, our heritage houses, the wealth of our village and our well-being.
शुक्रारा दीस मुरगांवचो उपजिल्लो अधिकारी, दक्षिण गोंय जिल्लो अधिकारी, रेल्वेचे अधिकारी, आमदार आनी जमीन धनियांची बसका मुरगांवच्या उपजिल्लो अधिकारी कार्यालयांत जाली. आमकां आनीक रेल्वेचो ट्रॅक नाका, आसा तोच पुरो. लोकांनी डबल ट्रॅक करचो अशी मागणी सरकारा कडेन केल्ली ना अशें लोक म्हणटात.
We are concerned only about our health. Nobody wants to breathe in coal, and we are concerned about the health of our children and our children's children.
I don't think the double of the line is for passenger purpose. I feel it is for political coal. It will bring a lot of pollution. Besides, our houses will be affected, because right now the houses have got cracks and some of them are broken off. So in principle we object for the doubling of the line.
डबल ट्रॅक कित्याक जाय, गरज कितें असो एकच प्रश्न विचारल्यार हजर आशिल्ल्या गोंय राज्याचे सरकारी अधिकारी आनी रेल्वेच्या अधिकाऱ्यां कडेन जाप ना. हाचोच अर्थ कोळशाची आयात करपा खातीर डबल ट्रॅक करपाचे सरकारान प्रयत्न चलयल्यात असो दुबाव येता. अशें गोवा अगेन्स्ट कोल संघटनेचो ओलांसियो सिमॉयस म्हणटा.
आम्ही डेप्युटी कलेक्टर क्वेश्चन केले और रेल्वे लायन कित्याक लागून येता. डेप्युटी कलेक्टरान आन्सर नासले, therefore he asked the railway authorities to answer. But railway authorities also failed to answer why the double railway line is required. आता हे क्लियर जालेले आहा. 2016 3 दिसाची पब्लीक हियरिंग जाले तिलक मैदानाचेर. त्या तिलक मैदानाचेर क्लियरली बरयल्लें आसा ते ह्या रिपोर्टाचेर की डबल रेल्वे लायन जाय कोल ट्रान्सपोर्टेशन करपाक. आतां सद्याक जी आसा 23 टन पर मिनट कोल ट्रान्सपोर्ट जाता एंड 3800 टन पर डे पर ट्रेन, म्हळ्यार नो ट्रेन ट्रान्सपोर्ट जाता विथ 3800 टन ऑफ कॅपेसिटी. आतां तूं बोरी ब्रिजीचेर वच आनी 10 टनाची कोमीची ट्रक पास जाल्यार ती बोरी ब्रीज हालता. सो यू कॅन इमॅजिन 3800 टन ऑफ कोल what impact will create for the village of Kasauli, Velsav, Pali, Izorsi and so on. पण आम्ही सरकाराक क्लियरली सांगता हो डबल रेल्वे लायन येता तो कोल आता फाटल्या मॉन्सून सेशनान हेल्थ मिनिस्टरान टेबल केलेलें आसा की 4500 लोक मुरुगांव तालुकाचे रेस्पिरेटरी प्रॉब्लमाचेर इन्क्लुडींग आस्थमा हे फेस करता. आता हे GMCत रिपोर्ट आता ह्या आख्ख्या तालुक्यान मोर देन 20 प्रायवेट क्लिनीक आसा. तितून हे धरलें जाल्यार मोर देन 25,000 to 30,000 पीपल आर सफरींग फ्रॉम रेस्पिरेटरी प्रॉब्लम. म्हळ्यार तुमी आनीक रेल्वे लायन हाडटा हे फकत कोल डबलिंग करपाक. आमी हेजे स्ट्रॉंग विरोध करतले. आख्खे गांवचे लोक आमी भायर येतले. हे डबल रेल्वे लायन ट्रॅक पळय फाटीं घेयना जालें.